Welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cash Cow Ken, and today I will be giving you the scoop on YouTube automation, its benefits, and how to break it down into a simple process for success. YouTube automation is the new wave of income for those seeking to make money online through video. But before we get into it, if you want to learn how to supercharge your YouTube automation and take it to a whole new level, be sure to click on the first link in the description below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more incredible ways to make money online today. Now, let's jump right into it. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? Simply put, YouTube automation is when a YouTube channel or channels are run on autopilot without any manual effort. This has come to be the go-to strategy for many YouTubers for a number of reasons, in which we will talk about in just a minute. But the first thing you need to understand about YouTube automation is your reasoning for wanting to do it. Some of the most common reasons for YouTube automation are for automated income and for a thriving YouTube channel full of subscribers. So what are some of the advantages of YouTube automation? For starters, everything in the video making process can be completely outsourced. This is the key to YouTube automation. You literally do not have to touch any part of the process, from the creation of your channel to posting finalized videos. Another advantage is that you do not need to get in front of the camera and talk the way that normal YouTubers do. Faceless videos are giving new YouTubers more and more confidence in starting channels and creating a business for themselves. A third advantage is that no video editing skills are required. There are a number of unique software that create the videos for you just by dragging and dropping a few photos and graphics into the software. These are just a few of the awesome benefits of having an automated channel. Now let's break down all of the ingredients needed for an automated channel. You must bear in mind that each part of the automation process goes into a lot more detail. But for now, I will just give you a brief overview of each part. The first step is to decide what type of channel that you want to have. There are so many channels that are available, but it helps to have a channel that produces the type of content that you would like to watch yourself. It's always best to be interested in what you are putting out. That way, you will always be enthusiastic about each video. The second step is to create a YouTube channel that has a theme that revolves around the type of content you will be putting out. One thing to remember about this is that the theme of the channel is not as important as the content that you will be putting out. Always remember, content is king. The next step is to create videos centered around your content. Your videos should include original, royalty-free pictures, graphics, videos, music, scripts, and voiceovers. After your videos are created, you must make attention-grabbing thumbnails for each video. There are a number of free and paid services that will allow you to make breathtaking thumbnails right out of the box. Once your thumbnails have been created, you will be ready to post your videos. This is the basic process for having a channel. But the fun part is that you can hire people to do all of this for you. There are experts who specialize in everything it takes for you to have a thriving channel. The challenge is finding those who have the particular skill sets that you're looking for that match your channel. One thing you may want to keep in mind is that you may want to save up money or set money aside before you begin your automated channel. Although outsourcing is the key to automated success, it is not always the cheapest route to go. However, if you take the time to plan out your automation journey by setting funds aside just for investing into your channel's outsourcing, it can result in smooth sailing and a channel that runs like a well-oiled machine. But with every advantage, there is a disadvantage. So, what are some of the cons of YouTube automation? One is that if you are outsourcing everything, you may not be able to put your personal touch on your work. Sometimes, especially when you're trying to brand yourself, you may want to have a personal touch on each of your videos. When outsourcing, you can still have a certain touch, but it's nothing like customizing things for yourself. Another con is time. Given that other people will be doing the services for you, it will take time for each one of those services. Video editing, script writing, voiceover recording, and posting all take time. It is very important that you map out a schedule to make sure all of your video deadlines are met, especially when outsourcing. A third disadvantage is that you have to check behind those who are doing the work for you to ensure that your videos will not have any copyright strikes. This is very important because too many strikes will result in the removal of your channel. So in conclusion, YouTube automation, like anything else, has pros and cons, but can be very impactful and lucrative when done correctly. To supercharge your YouTube automation and take your videos to an entirely new level, click on the first link in the description. To learn more about writing scripts for your videos, click the video on the screen.